Hi, I'm Kevin Soergel, owner of Soergel's Landscapes, Aquascapes, Hardscapes, and Floriscapes. Today we're going to talk about walls. This is a cut sandstone wall. We're going to show examples of boulder walls, the cut stone wall, and segmented concrete product walls. This is a sandstone decorative garden wall, 6-inch block, cut sandstone quarried and then sawn to dimensions, so they're easy to stack up, just like putting together Legos. In the garden, a wall like this is great for flower gardens. Can be used to retain around driveways, steps, walks, etc., or to set moods and to be used as part of the design. You can sit or lean against the wall. You can build walls up against the kitchen, which are perfect for dining. Walls can be used to keep the lawn out of the flower garden. Can be used to border patios or along the property lines for privacy. This is where we've decided to put a continuation of this wall from the steps to the existing wall. So I'm cleaning this area out, compacting it, and digging out for a little patio, a little step landing as well. We need to clean the, dig down to the proper depth, clean it out, and then compact. Okay, now we're going to dump in the modified gravel base, which is limestone and dust and limestone gravel. Okay, now we're going to compact the base for the wall. And here we're going to be building a little stepping stone landing from the steps. Now, this is limestone dust. It's just pulverized limestone. And it's an excellent base for patios, walls, roads, driveways, whatever it is that you have to build. I'm using a mahogany wooden level to check the level, but also to use it to smooth and check out to make sure we have this level now. So with a sawing and a slightly angled motion, and then with a screeding, a trowel motion, just going to make sure we're level. Now we're going to stack some wall stone in here with a slight curve on the end. All right, well, these flat ones are capstones. These are the wall stones. We're going to build our wall out of various sizes of these stones, and we're going to mortar them together with a concrete adhesive. I'm going to start laying the first course. There are square, and then there are also tapered ones. I think I'll start with a tapered. We're coming off of this wall with a slight curve. We don't have to close the taper on every one. And now we don't want to, as we stack these, we don't want to have all the joints lining up. We don't want to have the same, cracks one above the other. Okay, see how nicely the taper makes a curve? And you can throw in, every now and then, throw in a straight one. Another trick for making straights is to alternate their taper, and then they come along straight because the taper is the same angle on each one. Now we'll just lay them in and interlock them this way. I'm going to go get a tube of adhesive for the concrete adhesive to mortar them together. Okay. This glue has a strong hold, but yet it's not too, I can move them around for, a couple of hours at least. You can alternate bigs and littles and mediums. The littles make the nice sharp turns. The bigs make the nice long straights. The construction techniques that we showed you for preparing the base, compacting the base, leveling with the limestone dust and compacting it, and then mortaring together with the construction cement adhesive is the same process you use for the cut stone walls, the segmented interlocking retaining walls. Now we can lay the pavers. All kinds of variety in the kinds of pavers that we can lay. We can lay a coping or a border with brick. The most important dimension is that everything be smooth and level on top. Okay, now I'm just working some of the limestone dust into the cracks and gaps in between. And when we sweep it off, that'll give it a nice look. But it will also help to lock everything together and just hold everything into place. Now we'll use a plastic edging around the outside, to hold everything in place when we finish. And I think this is probably about as far out as we're going to come, so we'll probably just finish a little brick border around it and edge it, and that's the end of it. Okay, we finished up with our garden wall. This makes a perfect bench. Nice place to sit and enjoy your garden. Perfect addition to any landscape. And that's all there is to it. I'm Kevin Soergel, Soergel's Landscapes, Aquascapes, Hardscapes, and Floriscapes.